Hey guys, this is Mr. Kidd giving you place value practice test solutions for problems 1 through 5 in this video. So let's take a look at number 1. It's asking what is the place value of the 4 in the number 73,425. Well, one of the things that we can do to help is we can draw the places that we are responsible for. Okay? And as we look, if we write this number in, we have 5 ones, 2 tens, 4 hundreds, 3,000, and 7 10,000s. So if we write this in, we can go through, and knowing our place values, we know that the 5 is in the ones, the 2 is in the tens, and the 4 is in the hundreds place, because the hundreds place is the third place over. So the answer to number 1 is hundreds. The 4 is in the hundreds place. Okay, let's look at number 2. It says, what number do you get when you round 4,592? You will not have to round any numbers tomorrow. But for those who did this, we're looking at the tens place. Okay, we're rounding to the nearest 10. So if we're counting by tens, we're counting by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Next one is 100. So we're at 90. So how far over are we over 90? We're only 2 over 90. So therefore, we would round this to 4,590. Again, this will, number 2 will not be on the test tomorrow, any rounding. Let's go to number 3. Again, they're showing you expanded form, and they want you to put in the standard form or number form for this expanded form. So you had 40,000 plus 7,000 plus 500 plus 20 plus 3. Again, we can go through our place value or we can add these up either way. So let's look at our place value. We know we have 3 ones. We have 20, which is 2 tens. We have 500, which is 5 100s. Okay, and now my first comma. I have 7 1,000s, and I have 4 10,000s. So our answer would be 47,523 is the standard form for number 3. Let's take a look at number 4. Number 4, we have 13,925 is which of the following words? Well, I basically just told you the answer saying it. So when we look at word form, it's just like we say it. We look at the sections, and that we have the section that's to the left of the first comma. We know that this section is the thousands. So we would say 13,000. And then the next section, which is our ones or units, we say that 3-digit number, which is 925. So if you look down your list, you need to find 13,925, which is C. Okay. And number 5, again, you're taking these amounts and trying to figure out what number this is. We've done many of these. So let's start. I always like starting with our ones. So how many ones do we have? We have 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 ones. Now we got to be careful. We're looking at the next place value, which is our tens, and it's 14 tens. So 14 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. So then we got to look at our next place value, which is hundreds, which is 600s. 1, oops, sorry about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Excuse me, it was 600s. My apologies. 600, so we got that. So we've got our 15 ones, we've got our 14 tens, we have our 600s. Now it skips to 7 10,000s. We know the next place is thousands, so we don't have any thousands, but we have 7 10,000s. So if we did this over here, we can just kind of put some circles with the number 10,000 to show how many we have. So we have a 10,000 here. So we have 7 of these. So I'm just going to put these circles 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 7 10,000s here. Alright, so we need to regroup where we can. We'll go to the ones. We know that 10 ones equals a 10. So we've taken care of that. So that leaves 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ones. Now we have, instead of 14 tens, we have 15 tens. So 10 tens makes another 100. So those are over there now. And now we have 5 tens, or 50. Now we have only 7 hundreds. Okay, we start with 6. We have 7 now. How many thousands do we have? We need to make sure we record that. That's 0. And then how many 10,000s do we have? We still have 7. So the amount that you see here is 70,755. Alright, I'm going on to the next video. If you need more help, make sure you check out the video with the problems that you're working on. Thanks.